not like other animals. Like take any other animal. This anterior end, this posterior end. This one is ventral and this one is dorsal. But as we are upright, human, ventral, anterior both are same. Dorsal, posterior both are same. Got it? When we become upright, in which direction we move, it is anterior. So anterior ventral both are same. Why I'm discussing this point? Because you'll get a question to locate the gland. So it is ventral to the trachea or anterior to the larynx. You know very well it is a trachea here in the neck region. Now we are discussing neck region. You know this is larynx and this opening is glottis and it is covered by lid, epiglottis,
Epiglottis.
elastic cartilage. So this box what I have drawn is a sound box through which we produce sound. So this is larynx and this is trachea with the C-shaped cartilaginous rings, hyaline cartilage. Of course, no need of all those structures because already you are studied in respiratory system. But some students, they have not gone through that. So general idea I'm giving, you know, this is windpipe here, trachea, larynx, opening glottis, and this is epiglottis in your throat region. So ventral side of the trachea, idigondi, ventral side of the trachea, thyroid gland is present. Location important. Ledu, even sometimes they mention anterior to this larynx. ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. Anterior to the larynx. Like a open winged butterfly, widespread winged butterfly. ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది ఇలా. Two lobes looking like a butterfly. So also described as anterior to the larynx. Careful. Why always they focus on the location? Because you know, as a surgeon, further as a doctor, you should be careful to approach that particular organ. We particularly focus on the location of the organ. So careful here, you will get question. Ventral to the trachea, anna wrong kadu, correct. Ledu, anterior to the larynx, wrong kadu, correct. So how it looks on the ventral side? Yes, two wings widespread butterfly like. ఇదిగోండి. And bilobed, gland is bilobed. And always you know, when lobes are connected by a bridge, that bridge is called isthmus. So no need of going through the parts of this windpipe. You know very well it is larynx, this is glottis, epiglottis, trachea with the C-shaped hyaline cartilaginous rings. So I took windpipe outside and on the ventral side I have drawn thyroid gland, open butterfly wing like, bridge like connection is isthmus, enough. So this is ventral view. ఇది ventral view. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ ventral view. So after completing the head region, now we entered into the neck. Okay, good. Like ఇదిగోండి ఇది trachea అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ larynx trachea అనుకోండి. So I am making thyroid gland like this. It is bilobed. ఇలా ఉంది lobes. Ventral side it is looking like this. 1 minute. We'll make a isthmus narrow bridge connection. Ila. Ila.
Yes, ma'am.
On the ventral side. Okay. This larynx, trachea, ఇది ఒక lobe. This is another lobe. మధ్యలో ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండండి. Yeah. This is, yeah, isthmus like this. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, like a bow.
Yeah. Good. Perfect. So now when you turn, so okakasari in region to the larynx they ask, anterior to larynx or ventral to the trachea, ventral to the larynx, anna wrong kadu. I told you, as we are upright, our ventral side becomes our anterior side because we move, any animal move in the direction of mouth. That direction is called anterior. So our anterior is our ventral. Okay, na? So anterior to the larynx, ventral to the larynx or ventral to the trachea, both are same. Now ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయండి, వెంట్రల్ సైడ్ ని డోర్సల్ సైడ్ కి టర్న్ చేయండి.
Yes, ma'am.
So how it looks on the dorsal side, you could
Two
see
lobes.
only these two lobes. You can't see the isthmus.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is dorsal view with the two lobes visible there. అంటే బ్యాక్ సైడ్ చూస్తే ఇటు నుంచి
Yes, ma'am.
from this side, if you see, it is like this. Aithe on the dorsal side, on these two wings, you could see two more button-like structures here, two more button-like structures here. Yes, they are parathyroid glands. So note down this first, all of you. And each thyroid gland is made up of several ball-like structures. Yes, balls are called, here I have drawn TS of the ball. ఇలా ఉంది. Follicle means container. I told you yesterday.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ball-like structures. Thyroid gland is made up of small ball-like structures. All are packed together by connective tissue. You know very well, anytime organ is formed by packing of connective tissue kada. Packing
Yes,
material. Packing material is connective tissue. So all balls are packed together to give a thyroid gland by connective tissue. So I have drawn the cross section. Suppose when you cut the how ball looks. ఇదిగోండి. So these are thyroid. It is TS of thyroid gland. With the thyroid follicles. And it is connective tissue with all blood vessels, lymph vessels now. And each follicle, if you observe, in the middle, room is there. Ball anan kada, football
Yes,
like. Room is there. And the wall is made up of, you know, in junior inter you have studied, simple cuboidal epithelium. So draw up to here, all of you fast. And one more important point here, it's the largest endocrine gland. GK, largest endocrine gland. Thyroid gland is largest endocrine gland. Among the endocrine glands, it's the largest. Endodermal origin, both the thyroid and parathyroid glands. Endoderm. Yesterday, hypothalamus, pineal, pituitary, which origin?
Ectoderm.
Ectoderm. Yeah, you know very well already from junior inter you have studied. Our body made up of three germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. So thyroid gland and parathyroid gland, endodermal origin, largest of all endocrine glands. As you know very well, bilobed, butterfly wing, widespread wing of butterfly like. Anterior to the larynx, important nana, anterior to the larynx. Ivanni points first you should know. Now you draw the follicles, then I'll start. And I don't think we can complete the up to thymus today now itself in this class. So evening for your section, evening 4 to 5 I'll take extra class.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes,
Sanskrit
ma'am.
are there?
Yes.
Of course, myself and in charge sir remove.
Ma'am, actually,
And
Sanjay
this
sir's
is class
class
also is
Then what is the time you want to attend for you all?
5 to 6, ma'am.
Why not 3 to 4?
Okay, 3 to 4 also okay.
Do you feel sleepy at that time, drowsy?
No, ma'am.
All of you?
No, ma'am.
చేస్తారా
3 o'clock
So-
we finish class now, ma'am, from 1 to 3.
So you want it 5 to 6, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. 5 to 6.
Thank you, ma'am.
75 are there. All you 75 are going to attend?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. 5 to 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only little point will be left over, not much more, because maximum points will be covered now itself. Few points will be left over. We'll conclude at that time. Okay, continue fast. Completed the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
View the location in the entire body. Take dorsal view, ventral view, because direct question will be asked in this point. First location important. Next, when you take the histology means studying about the tissue of the gland, endodermal origin, largest endocrine gland. ఇదిగోండి made up of follicles. Follicle wall made up of simple
Cuboidal epithelium.
Cuboid.
epithelium, and inside it is cavity. Yes, embedded in the follicles, embedded in the connective tissues. And as usual, blood supply will be there. Arteries, veins, lymph vessels, nerves, every organ supplied all with these four. Like our house, electrical supply, water supply, drainage supply. Unda leda?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, artery bringing blood, vein taking blood, lymph
Neuron.
taking extra fluid, lymph, and nerve supply always. Without nerve stimulation, no organ works. So always nerve supply should be there. Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So some few blood vessels I have drawn. I think now, may I move to the lesson?
Yes.
Yes.
Dorsal side 4 parathyroid glands. Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am.
So leave them. We will do parathyroid gland after completing thyroid gland. Now, next, check this black color cells I have drawn in the connective tissue along with the follicles.
Yes, ma'am.
So you also put some other color to differentiate that cell. Use some other color in your notes. Draw all of these in your notes. Please, Nana. While you prepare, all these points will help you to understand clearly. So among the follicle, along with the follicle, in the connective tissue of the thyroid gland, additional cells are seen called as extrafollicular cells. Leda parafollicular cells. Write down. Extrafollicular cells, also called as parafollicular cells. Abhindana,
Yes, ma'am.
so inside in this room, blue color thyroglobulin is stored. Thyroglobulin means protein, kada?
Yes.
So what is the hormone secreted by thyroid gland? You're having that general idea.
T3, T4.
Yeah, T3 and T4 kada. And what is Nana, please, who is that? Please keep quiet. This T3, T4, particularly T3 is called thyroxine. Okay, this is the main hormone. I'll give you that. Even T4 also converted into T3 at the site of action, because T3 is most potent, active. T4 also converted into T3 at the action site. Ekkada work cheyali, where it is working, there immediately. What do you mean by these 4 and 3? Triiodo. 3 iodines. Triiodo. Thyronine.
Thyronine.
Yes. I'm coming back. Why we should call it as thyroglobulin, I'm explaining. Thyronine. Idi 4 kada. Tetra. Iodine atoms are attached. Thyronine. Okay. Yes, note down. T3 stands for 3 iodine atoms. T4 stands for 4 iodine atoms.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This tetraiodothyronine, also called as thyroxine or thyroxine. Kani T3 is the potent one, strong one. And it is in the form of globulin. Why globulin we are using? It's a polypeptide chain made up of what amino acid? Thyroxine hormone made up of?
Tyrosine hormone.
Yes. Two tyrosine, two molecules of tyrosine amino acids participate in thyroxine, or you can say used to form one thyroxine. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
So how it is present inside in the room? Like a polypeptide chain. Tyrosine, 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 tyrosine. All tyrosine amino acids connected and stored in the room. So it is thyroglobulin stored as thyroglobulin. Note down. Stored as thyroglobulin in this room. And of course, you know, these cells absorb iodine from the blood. These cells absorb iodine from the blood and produce thyroxine by using this tyrosine amino acid. By using this tyrosine amino acid, iodine is absorbed from the blood. Okay, Praneeth, keep off your mic, Nana.
Ma'am, tyrosine amino acid is stored as thyroglobulin.
With added iodine. Kani, it's a globulin. You can't understand malla nenu molecular level ki vellali. When I'll free, I'll explain that. Tyrosine amino acid is stored here as thyroglobulin. Two tyrosine amino acids are used to form thyroxine. So two molecules of tyrosine amino acid participate to form one thyroxine molecule. Okay. How these cells absorb iodine from the blood and use it to the thyroglobulin to produce thyroxine. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good. How? మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ sequence చేసుకోండి, because you'll get sequence type question. From the hypothalamus, what is secreted? Tell me. From the hypothalamus, what is released?
TRH.
Thyroid stimulating.
Thyroid stimulating hormone.
Releasing hormone.
That's good.
Releasing
Hormone from the hypothalamus. How it goes into anterior pituitary?
Bloodstream.
Through
the vein.
Yeah. Through the portal vein.
Hypo.
Good. ఇక్కడ రాసాను చూడండి. TSH, RH is formed in the hypothalamus through portal vein. It reaches anterior pituitary. Now, anterior pituitary secretes.
TSH.
Yeah, thyroid
TSH.
stimulating hormone. And it acts upon thyroid.
Thyroid gland.
Thyroid gland.
That's good. So, thyroid gland cells contain receptors for TSH. So, these cup-like structures, what I have drawn on the membrane of the cells are, yes. So, here I am writing that cup-like laga, ila cup laga cheyandi on the cell membrane. So, it is TSH, what?
Receptors.
So this TSH attach on the receptor. So this round, I'll make it with another color. Red color I'm giving for TSH. Yes, TSH. Attach on the receptor. And that cup is
TSH receptors.
receptor. And this round body, what I'm drawing is,
TSH.
yeah, what TSH do? Does stimulate the cell. It induces these cells. Once TSH is attached, cells are activated so that they can take iodine from the blood and they attach it on the thyrosin and converting it into thyroxine. That function is done by the cells once TSH is attached. So cells can produce what?
Thyroxine.
That's good.
Thyroxine.
Hormone by using tyrosine amino acid, by adding iodine, absorbing iodine from the blood. అక్కడ వరకు అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
Now continue. So note down this sequence, add చేసుకోండి. All of you fast. Put the sequence. What is the sequence? From the hypothalamus, thyroid stimulating hormone, releasing hormone. Put hypothalamus, put arrow mark, and write TSH, RH.
Via the hypophysis.
Yeah.
Portal.
Next, what is arrow mark? Hypophyseal portal.
Portal.
Next arrow mark. Anterior.
Pituitary.
Pituitary.
Next arrow mark.
Thyroid stimulator.
Thyroid.
Yes, good. Next arrow mark.
On the
Thyroid
thyroid.
gland.
Thyroid gland.
Thyroid
Gland.
glands.
Next arrow mark. Receptors. Receptors for
TSH receptor.
on the thyroid gland cells. Attach on TSH receptors on thyroid gland cells. And final arrow mark, what you write?
Thyroxine.
Cells are used to produce thyroxine.
Thyroxine.
Good. Maloxari, repeat. Hypothalamus, thyroid stimulating hormone, releasing hormone. Next, it passes through the anterior pituitary through hypophyseal vein. Then anterior pituitary release thyroid stimulating hormone. And TSH attach on the thyroid gland cells on the thyroid stimulating hormone.
Receptors.
Receptors.
Then cells are stimulated or induced to produce
Thyroxine.
అయిపోయింది. Completed?
Yes,
1 minute.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
once can you say about thyroglobulin?
Nothing but this tyrosine amino acid is stored in the form of globulin. Globulin ఎప్పుడు అంటాం నాన్న? Polypeptide
Protein.
chain కదా?
Yes.
What is polypeptide chain? Amino acid, amino acid, amino acid,
Yes.
amino acid, amino acid connected to form a big polymer name andam, protein andam.
Yes.
లేదా polypeptide chain andam. So that if it is round in shape, that protein is called globulin. So tyrosine amino acid polypeptide chain is stored in this room. అది thyroxine కాదు, only raw material storing there. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like to cook rice, what you store in the container? Rice grains kada?
Yes.
అలానే it is stored, raw material is stored here. ఓకేనా? గ్లోబులిన్ అంటే మీనింగ్ అర్థమైందా? రౌండ్ ప్రోటీన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ప్రోటీన్? Polyamino acids. Simple. So what amino acids here?
Tyrosine.
Tyrosine amino acid. So what globulin it is called?
Thyroglobulin.
So these two tyrosine amino acids are used, and iodine is absorbed from the blood, and iodine is added to produce thyroxine. అయిపోయిందా?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So if 3 amino acids are added, triiodo. Oh, sorry, not amino acid, I'm sorry. 3 iodine are added, triiodothyronine, T3. T4 అంటే 4 iodine are added. Tetraiodothyronine. Tetraiodothyronine also called as thyroxine. అయిపోయిందా? Now we understood the location, we understood the tissues, we understood how this gland is stimulated and what are the hormones produced. Completed up to there. Now, functions of these hormones. Functions note cheskondi. If you know the functions, automatically you can discuss the disorders. Simple. So check the functions. First main important function is it regulates basic metabolic rate. Leda dini basal metabolic rate antam. So BMR. Generally, we use BMR. Everyone knows if you say BMR. All doctors use BMR. And basal metabolic rate. First, try to understand what is the meaning of that. Like several times I have discussed in the class. Suppose in your house, 4 family members are there. Your parents, you and your sibling, maybe brother or sister. 4 are there. So according to 4 members, mama will cook some bread or chapati on that day. Or the total container rice is cooked for all 4 members.
No, ma'am.
25 kg rice is there. Just imagine. All 25 kgs she will cook on same day.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only
No,
for
ma'am.
4 members.
No, ma'am.
If relatives are there, like some function is there, 10 members increased, then what happened? She will increases amount
Amount of rice.
rice. In the same way, try to understand the basic concept. According to your lifestyle, how much calories you should burn means how much glucose should enter into respiration. Why it is entering into respiration? Respiration means what? Oxidation. So that how much ATP is required, how much calories you are burning. అర్థమైందా? Like how much rice is needed on that day in your house. It depends upon your lifestyle. Means what? Some people simply they sit.
Less required.
So less requirement of ATP and glucose entering into the oxidation. Or all the glucose will be burnt or
No,
will
ma'am.
be oxidized. No, because you are not using it. Why
Yes, ma'am.
unnecessarily you are going to release it? So according to your lifestyle, like you children, you are using your brain and listening to your teacher, understanding the lesson, correlating it and coordinating with the previous knowledge and writing in the notes, preparing all 4 subjects, even sometimes languages also. Means continuously you are using your
More ATP.
neurons. Because you know more ATP is required. Sodium potassium pump should continuously work. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
one more example. IT professionals, computer all over the world, these computer dealing professionals will get more salary. Why more salary? More
More.
brain they are using.
Mm.
They compare the out labor who are working in the construction of building, carrying that bricks and carrying the cement, concrete. Their daily wages are very less. Maybe 3,000 or 4,000. Okay, 5,000. But at the same time, computer dealing and throughout the world, finance, economy dealing professions, they get lakhs per day. Ikkada 1,000, akkada lakhs. What is the why is this difference? Physical work, you are not using much more ATP as compared to your brain. అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and you see one more thing here, I am connecting. So, according to your lifestyle, thyroxine decides how much glucose should enter into the respiration and how much ATP you need. So, that rate is controlled by thyroxine. First point understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one more important point here. Actually, from one glucose, according to the chemical nature, 100 ATP are produced. If you exactly estimate the chemical, 100 ATP can be formed. But how many ATP are getting from one glucose? 38 ATP. Only 38. So rough ka తీసుకుందాం, only 40% you are conserving. What about the remaining 60%? Nana, where it is going?
20% used by the brain.
Array, idi 20%.
Energy is dissipated as heat.
Dissipated
That's
as
good. That's good.
Respiration,
It is
heat.
eliminated out as heat energy. So your body heat. We people are warm blooded. We have 37 degrees temperature. So we are not wasting that also. That 60% heat energy we are balancing in the body as body temperature. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good, important. So it is temperature, heat energy is released. Calorigenic heat energy is maintained in the body. So maintains,
Body temperature.
yeah, good. So please, Nana, never by heart. I'm taking
Yes.
every week one extra class. Why? I want to give the correct fundamental concept. I can say, taka, 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 it will maintain the basic metabolic rate, temperature is maintained, calorigenic. ఇది చెప్పచ్చు line లో. But how? You should know the reason. If you know the reason, no need of by hearting, you never forget. So try to understand the reason why it is controlling the basic metabolic rate. How much glucose is required? Only that much you cook. You cook. Because you require only that much. Try to understand. Okay, now?
Yes, ma'am.
So out of the remaining 60%, maintain the body temperature, calorigenic. అయితే to oxidize function, I'm using green color. To oxidize the glucose in the respiration to break the glucose, what is required? What we are taking inside?
Respiration.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. So how much oxygen you should take? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So note down that rate of oxygen consumption. Third point. So why rate of oxygen consumption? Connect it here. How
Ma'am, more
much?
is required for
People who use more brain.
more aid. Yes.
Yeah. Rate of oxygen. So understood the connection between one another?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't by heart, try to understand. Oxygen consumption. Yes. Put correct competition to the elite batch. Competition lekunda you never win. So basal metabolic rate, rate of oxygen consumption, and how much ATP is produced. At the same time, how much heat energy is balancing your body. Idi 3 points. Blue color, red color, green color. 3 points understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Main important functions. So it decides how much glucose should enter into respiration. So how much oxygen is required according to your lifestyle. And yes, the remaining body temperature. Clear? So what are the other functions? Let us see. కొన్ని additional functions undi. I'm using black color. Yes, what are the other functions? It also support the formation of RBC. ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా additional. Fourth one, RBC production. దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? Erythropoiesis. అంతేనా?
Yes, ma'am.
RBC production
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
general English expression. ఇంకేమనొచ్చు దాన్ని?
Erythropoiesis.
Erythropoiesis.
Erythropoiesis. Water balance.
Osmotic.
Water balance. Good.
Osmotic regulation.
Yes. And electrolyte balance and a salt balance.
Yes, ma'am.
Electrolyte balance. All these things are done by the thyroxine hormone. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So automatically, when you are taking oxygen inside, what you are using? Your lungs you are using. If lungs are moving faster, what should be contracted faster along simultaneously?
Diaphragm.
Amma?
Heart.
Heart. So even heartbeat rate, lung ventilation, ante anni ikkada vachesdi metabolic rate. So heartbeat rate, lung ventilation are controlled, regulated, because how much oxygen you have to consume, how much glucose should be burnt, because how much ATP you require. Everything regulated by thyroxine. Got it, Nana?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
only we could conserve 40% of the energy, remaining 60% heat energy, but that also help in maintaining the
Body
body
temperature.
temperature. ED functions. Pakka direct question you'll get. Okay, then now keeping these functions in mind, let us go through. If deficiency, if thyroid gland less, I mean thyroxine less, all these functions are affected. Am I correct? All
Yes.
these functions
Yes,
are
ma'am.
affected. If thyroxine is more than the required level, all these functions are
Yes,
elevated.
ma'am.
Which is that is
Good.
also.
So evening we will do that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think here, note down additional point. What these black color cells, extra follicular cells, beside the follicle, pakkane, pass mein, para follicular cells do? They produce thyrocalcitonin hormone. Thyrocalcitonin hormone. Note down fast. Thyrocalcitonin hormone. తర్వాత డిఫెక్ట్స్ కి వెళ్దాం ఫాస్ట్.
Ma'am?
అమ్మా
Ma'am, once can you repeat, ma'am?
ఈ సెల్స్ ఉంది కదా నాన్న, బ్లాక్ కలర్ సెల్స్ వేసాం కదా
Yes, ma'am.
Extra follicle.
ఫాలికల్ కి పక్కన. సో ఎక్స్ట్రా
Parafollicular.
పారాఫాలిక్యులర్ సెల్స్, వాట్ దే డూ, ఎందుకని అంటే వీ హావ్ డన్ ద థైరాక్సిన్ హార్మోన్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఇది కూడా చేసేద్దాం, అప్పుడు డిఫెక్ట్స్ కి వెళ్దాం. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ది సెల్స్? ఎక్స్ట్రా ఫాలిక్యులర్ సెల్స్, లేదా పక్కనే ఉంది పాస్మే parafollicular cells. What hormone they secrete? Thyrocalcitonin hormone. Afrin, yesterday you asked one question. Ippudu answer vastundi chudu. You'll get that answer. Yeah, write down. These cells secrete thyrocalcitonin hormone. Fast. Tondaraga.
Yes, ma'am.
Thyrocalcitonin hormone.
Done, ma'am.
అప్పుడు దీన్ని ఏమందాం? నాన్ అయోడో థైరాయిడ్ హార్మోన్ అనొచ్చా లేదా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఈజ్ ఎనీ అయోడిన్ యూజ్డ్ హియర్? డిడ్ ఐ
No,
సే?
No, ma'am.
కేర్ఫుల్, నాన్ అయోడిన్ అని కూడా చెప్తాడు. బికాస్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ allowed to analyze. Okay, what is this non-iodo hormone from the thyroid gland? Ante manam inni rojulu from the childhood we are only focusing on iodine is used, thyroxine is produced by thyroid gland. This is first time you are going through this one, as per my knowledge.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
It is another hormone produced by thyroid gland, by parafollicular cells, where iodine is not at all used. And it is called thyrocalcitonin, short form TCT. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Non-iodothyroid hormone అని బ్రాకెట్లో పెట్టుకోండి. ఇదేమో అయోడైజ్డ్. T3, T4 ఏంటి నాన్న?
Iodized.
But
Yeah.
thyroid.
అయోడిన్ యాడెడ్. ఇది నాన్ అయోడైడ్ లేదా అయోడైజ్డ్ హార్మోన్ ఆఫ్ ద థైరాయిడ్ గ్లాండ్. ఓకే,
Yes, ma'am.
now function. What's the function? Write down separate point, important. It helps in balancing the calcium. Simple bracket lo cheppandi, calcium metabolism.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
stop there. Okka calcium anandi chalu. Again, we'll come back to the detailed structure. It helps in calcium metabolism. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
అందుకే అన్నాము థైరోకాల్సిటోనిన్ బికాస్ ఇట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ మెటబాలిజం ఆఫ్ కాల్షియం. అయితే నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్, 5 స్టార్ రేటింగ్. ఏంటి 5 స్టార్ రేటింగ్ చూద్దాం. వై దిస్ టీసీటీ హార్మోన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అండర్ ద రెగ్యులేషన్ ఆఫ్ hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Write down all of you. Important. This ఒక్క నిమిషం ఇప్పుడే వస్తున్నానండి. Meanwhile, you write. TCT is not under the control of Anana, TCT secretion is not under the control of hypothalamus or pituitary gland. Full stop. Very, very direct, important question. Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you repeat that, ma'am?
Thyrocalcitonin hormone secretion is not under the control of hypothalamus or pituitary gland.
Ma'am, so there's no releasing hormone.
అదే కదా చెప్తున్నా.
Yes.
But for thyroxine, ఇదిగోండి మొత్తం sequence we have put.
Yes.
What is the sequence we have put? Thyroid stimulating hormone, releasing hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, acting on the cells, allowing the cells to produce T3, T4 and T3, T4 functions ఇక్కడ కదా. ఇంత
Yes,
లాంగ్
ma'am.
చైన్ ఉంది.
Yes.
It should start from hypothalamus. Stimulation should start from hypothalamus చేసాం.
Yes, ma'am.
అర్థమైందా నాన్న? కానీ
Yes.
for thyrocalcitonin, no connection with the hypothalamus or pituitary gland. Then its secretion, how it is maintained. Now write the second statement. TCT, thyrocalcitonin hormone secretion is regulated by calcium levels in the body.
Yes, ma'am.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So may I rub this diagram? ఇక్కడికి అయిపోయింది కదా.
Yes, ma'am.
So it maintains the calcium ions in the body, calcium in the body, and according to the level of calcium, ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉంది calcium? Bone, muscle, blood, nerves, even nerve system also near the synaptic junction, calcium.
Calcium gate.
Muscle contraction, calcium is required. For bone,
Yes,
calcium is required. Calcium chala chala important part. So why mama asks you to drink milk. Milk contains more calcium, and calcium is very, very important cofactor of several enzymes also.
Yes,
Calcium
ma'am.
chala important. So calcium levels maintained by this thyrocalcitonin, and its secretion indirectly regulated by
Calcium levels.
in your
Calcium
body,
levels in the
in
body.
body, not by the hypothalamus.
Hypothalamus.
Not pituitary gland. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు డిజార్డర్స్ కి వచ్చేద్దాం. ఎస్, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ ఇఫ్ థైరాక్సిన్ హార్మోన్ సెక్రీటెడ్ లెస్ ఇన్ ద చైల్డ్హుడ్? ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ తీసేస్తున్నా ఇక్కడ.
Yes, ma'am.
Goiter.
యా, మీరు అది అన్ని చేస్తున్నారు, బట్ వన్స్ అగైన్ రివైజ్ అండ్ దెన్ గో. ఈవినింగ్ ఐ విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద రిమైనింగ్ ఫ్యూ పాయింట్స్. ఎక్కువ టైం ఉండదు నాన్న.
Thymus.
యా, థైమస్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. పారాథైరాయిడ్ థైమస్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఎస్, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ childhood. During childhood, hypersecretion, చూద్దాం. చైల్డ్హుడ్ లో హైపర్ ఏమీ రాదు, ఒట్టి హైపోనే వస్తుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ హైపో చేద్దాం ఉండండి. హైపోసెక్రీషన్. ఓకే, అడల్ట్ లో hyper. So we'll do this now. Continue. Childhood hyposecretion leads to hypothyroidism called as cretinism. So here we also describe them as thyroid dwarf. Thyroid dwarf. Yesterday I told you pituitary dwarf, if you remember.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, pituitary growth hormone deficiency in the childhood.
Childhood.
Pituitary dwarf. ఇది important చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు చెప్తాను చూడండి. Pituitary dwarf. What I told, intellectually they
Intellectually
are normal. Reproduction capacity also normal. Only stunted growth.
Growth is abnormal.
Abnormal. But thyroid dwarf, cretinism, cretin, a child ఏమంటా, the child is called cretin. He remained dwarf. Kani, this thyroid dwarf, IQ, low IQ, mute. You know what is mute?
Dumb.
They can't speak. Why can't they speak? Because they can't hear. Deaf and dumb. See,
Yes,
try to
ma'am.
understand. When you can hear the voice, when you can hear the sound, then only you can imitate the sound and make the sound. Remember that.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the childhood, our grandparents, mother, they come in front of you and they move their lips and they talk with you. Atta, say atta, ta,
Yes, ma'am.
ta. Like that, some sounds they make.
Yes, ma'am.
They communicate with you. So what do you do at that time? You observe their lip, their tongue movement, jaw movement. They can hear the sound and they imitate the sound. So when their nervous system is not well developed, hearing capability is not there, they can't make the sound. IQ low. ఎందుకని అంటే out of all these functions, main important function is your physical growth and mental growth also regulated by thyroxine hormone.
Ma'am, metabolism means we can consider it. Right?
లేదు నాన్న, మెటబాలిజం is different.
Means if there's a problem-
Overall ga, when you are growing inside the mother's womb, even after birth also, your total growth, your mental abilities development, everything is on the base of the thyroxine. So, ఇది అసలు ప్రాబ్లం ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? Do you feel that mothers are not providing iodine properly in the food? కాదు, not at all. From the mother's womb, if mother is suffering with hypothyroidism, important. So note down, important point, hypothyroidism during pregnancy. Mother ki problem unte. Hypothyroidism during pregnancy causes defective development, stunted growth, mental retardation, IQ low, abnormal skin, deaf and mute. ఎందుకని అంటే నాన్న, ఫర్ యువర్ ఫిజికల్ గ్రోత్, జీ పెట్టాను గ్రోత్ కి, మెంటల్ ఎబిలిటీస్ గ్రోత్, development, everything under the thyroxine hormone. So if mother is with hypothyroidism, important, hypothyroidism during pregnancy. So gynecologist immediately, once they are pregnant, they check their blood levels, how much T6, T3, T4, TSH are there, everything they check. Hypothyroidism during pregnancy. If mother is hypothyroidism, automatically growing child also develop that. Generally nowadays these people are fighting women equality. Why don't women can drink? Why don't women can smoke cigarette? Why can't they run? Run and run cheyochu, adi problem kaadu. All these bad habits. Kada?
Yes, ma'am.
All they affect the child development. So hypothyroidism during pregnancy cause this defect, cretinism, stunted growth. So cretin, thyroid dwarf. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, thyroid dwarf, pituitary dwarf same అయినా?
No, ma'am.
No.
They are also dwarf, ఇంతే ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు. Dwarf.
Yes, ma'am.
Cretin. Intellectually IQ low.
Ma'am, this is even worse, right, ma'am?
కదా, more worse. అసలు ఇంకా వాళ్ళు నార్మల్ చిల్డ్రన్ కాదన్నట్టు.
Yes, ma'am.
Deaf and mute. Pituitary dwarf normal, intellectually normal, reproduction normal. Only problem with the growth. Ante.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
Growth problem, mental ability is the problem. Even they can't reproduce automatically. Ainara?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, hypo in the adult. Next, hypo in the adult. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కనెక్ట్ అయిపోండి. If all these things are controlled by thyroxine hormone, all they are affected or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
hypothyroidism also called as myxedema, Gall's disease. ఇప్పుడు అన్ని కనెక్ట్ చేసేసేయండి. బాడీ టెంపరేచర్ లో, బేసిక్ మెటబాలిక్ రేట్ లో, accumulation of fluid in the body, BP low, day-to-day mental ability is also low. They forget everything. ఎక్కడ పెట్టాను ఎత్తుకుంటా ఉంటారు. Even after development, everything normal. Even day-to-day your mental abilities are also depend upon the thyroxine hormone. So they forget everything.
Ma'am, it is myxedema gulls.
Yeah, another name for myxedema, Gall's disease.
Okay.
Important, red color I'm giving. అయిపోయింది నాన్న, I'll leave you. In women, female, it affects the menstrual cycle. ఇది చాలా చాలా important. Menstrual cycle. So why, suppose, let me say one important point and then leave you. Evening will continue. Please all of you join.
Yes.
5 to 6 కదా నాన్న?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
మనం హైపర్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి then you go. You will get a question. A woman approached, listen carefully. A woman approached a gynecologist saying that she's having irregular menstrual cycles and no menstrual cycles for so many months. చెప్తుంది. Then what gynecologist prescribe అని క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తారు, అప్లికేషన్ బేస్డ్. First, that gynecologist asks that women to check for TSH levels in the blood, T3 levels in the blood, T4 levels in the blood. Important. Why? Because in women, menstrual cycle is also balanced by thyroxine. So you'll get a question, application-based question. A woman approached a gynecologist as her complaint is she's missing her menstrual periods for long time, no menstruation. Then what is the first thing suggested by the gynecologist అంటాడు? కింద ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తాడు. Yes, she asked to go for pathology lab, check for TSH, T3 and T4. Because menstrual cycle in women supported by, regulated by thyroxine hormone. So the adult women who are suffering with hypothyroidism, myxedema, they show irregular menstrual cycle. Water accumulation, andike odema, water accumulation in the body because basic metabolic rate low, temperature low, BP low, electrolytes, everything gone in the urine. Sorry, evening we'll continue with the hyper. Thank you, children. You can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
5 o'clock, sharp.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.